Good morning, everyone, and how are you? This is Maudrin from Proud Travelers, and today we are live from Menlo. And if you look behind me, you see this huge pine tree that is at the front of our client's gate. They say too much of everything becomes good for nothing, which is something that is happening with this tree. Yes, nature is beautiful. We are not fighting against trees, but what it is doing right now is something that is upsetting the client. First things first, if you look, you will see that the tree has grown and it is interfering with the cables there, with the electric cables. And from this side, it is also interfering with the Wi-Fi cables. And from down here, it's also interfering with the electric fence. That's number one. And let me show you something. If you may, cameraman, come closer. It's causing too much dirt. If I just shake here, yes, you see that's powder. The powder is going everywhere. Like this is literally something you wouldn't want. If you look down here, you see that the ground is yellow and it's filthy. It is shedding. Seeds they are just going everywhere. So we are going to do away with this tree. We are going to cut it to ground level, and we are going to leave the client with peace of mind, because as of now they have got to be worried about the debt. This yellow powder is going everywhere, over the roof, inside the compound, on their cars, which is something that is not pleasant. So I'll be showing you the results as we will be taking down this tree with zero damage to property. As you can see, some of the things that I've mentioned, we are going to take safety precautions and prevent any damage from happening to the fences as well as to the garages over there. Thank you so much.
Dala wena. No feeling iye ndi ano feeling abantu. Igual daria ukuvela. Hey. Johnny. Kama zao kama fikiri kuna kitu kwa nini?
Unfortunately, the wind made the recording of this part of the video difficult, so I had to put a voiceover. But anyways, this was the job that we were doing in Mindalo. Yes, you can see the ground was clean. No logs, no leaves, and no twigs. Just clean ground, which shows how best our cleanup is. And yes, that was the stump, the one that was left after we had completed the job. You can look, we left it at ground level, and we drew lines. Those lines were to make sure that the poison that we were going to put on the log, stays there, and so after poisoning it, the stump will die on its own, which means there wasn't any need to dig it. Yes, because it just hit one taproot and it wasn't going anyways. And as you can see, the property wasn't damaged. You can see the intercom is still intact. The poles, the electric fences, and the bar keys loaded. The teeth, and this is what we do at Prod Tree, fellas.